What's up, everybody? This is Dex, and today we are in Big Bear. We're driving around, trying to find some snow, and just have a good time, because this is probably going to be the last off-road adventure of 2025. So let's get started and see what we get into. All right, man, let's go. over here in Big Bear, and there's not that much snow. It's probably like 1 inch of snow, if that. So I mean, it's not too bad. If you bring your kids, you can still play over here, but hopefully it rains in the near future and it brings a little bit more snow, because this is kind of sad. Seems another year that's gonna be pretty bad. Snow. Let's see how much snow is there. Probably what? Yeah, probably about an inch of snow. This right here is the Holcomb Valley area, the Holcomb Valley side. This is what you're gonna find if you come over here right now. Just a little bit of snow, about an inch. Obviously not the best by any means, but we'll take it. Let's see. Yep. All right, let's keep going. Here is another area where there's a good amount of snow. There's a little bit of mud too, so people can come over here and play. It's not too bad. Oh yeah, and it's getting kind of cold. Big Bear's not too bad today. It's just a little muddy, but alright. Let's keep it going. Let's try to see if we can find other areas to hang out. Let's go. The sunset's gonna be in about an hour, and it's getting cold. It's in the 30s right now. I think it's time for me to put on my beanie and another jacket. Let's see, here's another patch of snow over here. This area that has snow, you just have to look for it. See, all this hillside has snow. Over here in this area, it's probably, let's see, oh shoot, that's pretty high. It's about 1.5 inches. Oh, that's not bad. All right, let's keep going. area right here with snow. Not bad. All right, everybody, we are all done here in Big Bear. It was a fun day. It's getting kind of late. It's getting kind of cold, and we did find some snow. There's probably about 1 to 1.5 inches, depending where you go. You're gonna have to drive around and try to find it. But besides that, there's a lot of mud, and there's a lot of huge puddles. So that being said, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. And happy 2026. Peace.